Hello students, as you know we have completed our syllabus of first unit test. So today we will discuss article. Article, as I have already explained you in previous videos, what are articles and how we will use it. Now here is an exercise. We will do this exercise so that it will be easy for you and it will be more clear to you. India is dash large country. Large, its consonant. Here we will use a. India is a large country. She is dash are late. Are. As I told you, when there is vowel sound, in that case we will use an. A. A, sound of a. She is an hour late. I have a 1 rupee note. Because the spelling of one starts from the O, it's a vowel, but sound is v. That's why we are using a. I have a 1 rupee note. He is dash European. Sound is y, but starts with vowel, that is e. But we will use it here a. He is a European. Once there was a king. We arrived on the 4th of July. The 4th of July, because specific day is mentioned here of the month. I go to Jaipur once a year. Once a year. Sri Lanka is an island. Sound of vowel sound. Sri Lanka is an island. I shall be back in an hour. Again same word is repeating. I shall be back in an hour. Mount Everest is the highest peak. If there is superlative degree, then we will use the. Mount Everest is the highest peak. I am the tallest boy here. Again superlative degree. Tallest is superlative degree. Honesty is the best policy. Again superlative degree. Good, better, best. Best. The. How fine a day it is. How fine a day it is. At the end of this there will be exclamatory sign. I have put full stop here, but there should be exclamatory sign. Switch off the light. Switch off the light. Which is the longest river in India? Again superlative degree. Long, longer, longest. She looks as stupid as an owl. An, because owl, sound of a. Vowel sound is there. What a beautiful scene this is. At the last of this sentence there is exclamatory sign. We will use a. What a beautiful scene this is. Rustam was a young Parsi. Rustam was a young Parsi. Kashmir is the Switzerland of India. Kashmir is the Switzerland of India. Iron is a useful metal. A useful metal. U is vowel, but sound is y. The patient has not slept all the night. The patient has not slept all the night. Whenever I take your test, or if there is unit test, grammar portion will not be added from your book. That's why we are doing practice here of grammar. So you should keep this thing in your mind, that concept should be clear to you. So this exercise we have done about articles. Next we will take rearrange or punctuation. I will see what should I take, rearrange or punctuation. We will do the practice, so that in next week when I will take your test, you may be able to attempt that test properly. Take care.